Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in this video I will show you some basic configuration of switch. I have already designed a basic topology here. So to start the configuration, click on the switch. Just maximize the window. Now currently we are in the user execution mode. Here I am writing enable. It will enter you into the privilege mode. Now we have entered in the privilege mode. To go to global configuration mode, just write here configure terminal. Now we are in the global configuration mode. Now here we have a command now IP domain lookup. This command is used to turn off domain name system or DNS queries so that spelling mistakes do not slow you down. Just hit enter. Now another command, we have to change the host name. To change the host name, we have a command host name. Here I am writing switch 2960. Hit enter. Now the host name is changed to switch 2960. Now we are going to set enable secret password. To enable secret password, just write enable secret and type a password. Here I am writing a password Cisco. Hit enter. Now we have set the secret password on the switch. Now I am going to set console password. To set console password, just write line console 0. Hit enter. Now type login. First you need to set password console. Hit enter and type login. Now the console password is also set. Now I am going to set telnet password here. To set telnet password, you need to write line vty 0 to 15. By 0 to 15 we mean that at the same time 16 users can log in to the switch. Hit enter. Now type the password. I am writing telnet. Hit enter and write the command login. The telnet password is also set. Now I am going to set the default gateway. If I show you, we have a default gateway on this router. I am going to the interface. We have a default gateway and I am going to set this default gateway into the switch. I am exiting from this IP default gateway 192.168.1.1. Now our default gateway is set on the switch. Now I am going to assign an IP address on the interface vlan 1. To configure your switch remotely, you need to set the IP address on the VLAN. Now right here interface VLAN 1, hit enter. Now we are on the VLAN. To set the IP address, we have a very simple command: IP address 192.168.1.10. I am writing here. Default area 255.255.0. This is the IP address for our VLAN. Hit enter and write the command now shut down. Now we have set the IP address on the VLAN successfully. Now if you want to give some description to your interface, we have a command for example, I'm going to interface fa0/1. Now I'm in the fast Ethernet 0/1 interface. Here I'm giving some description to this interface. Let me check the interface. We are in FA01. Here we have FA01, which is connected to the router. So in the description I am writing here. Link to the router. Hit enter. Description, I think here we have made a spelling mistake. Link to the router. Now the description is set on the interface FA01. We had a spelling mistake, sorry for that. Now I am exiting from here. Now we are going to save the all the configuration into the NVRAM, non-volatile random access memory. To save the configuration, you need to go into the privilege mode. Now we are in the privilege mode. Just type here copy. Hit enter. Incomplete command. Copy, or just write here right. Now the configuration is saved to the NVRAM. So this was some basic configuration of the switch. I hope you learned something from it. In the next video we will show you some other things. Thanks for watching.